बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है खानदेलवाल। Rajiv Khandelwal is born on 16 October 1975, is an Indian film and television actor, singer and host. Born 16 October 1975, Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. Alama Mater, ST Experience College, Ahmedabad. Occupation actor, host, singer. Years active 1998 to present. Known for Kahin To Hoga. Spouse Manjiri Kamatikar. Married 2011. Children 1. He started his career directing the television serial film Chakkar. His break as an actor was as the lead in the television drama Kahin To Hoga 2003 to 2005. After this, he acted in many television shows which include Time Bomb 9 by 11 2005, Sun Lina 2006, Left Right Left 2007, and Reporters 2015. In 2008, he made his Bollywood debut with the film Amir, which proved to be a turning point in his career. After this, he became part of many films like Shaitan 2011, Soundtrack 2011, Table Number 21 2013, Samrat and Co. 2015, among others. Rajiv made his web series debut in 2018 with ALT Balaji's Haq Si. In 2019, he appeared in another ALT Balaji web series, Cold Lassi or Chicken Masala, opposite Divyanka Tripti. Apart from acting, he was hosted many reality shows including Deal Ya No Deal, Sach Ka Samna, Superstars NY, and Divar. In 2015, he returned to television with Sony TV show Reporters with Kartika Kamra. In 2018, he hosted ZTV talk show Jazz Baat, Life and Family. Rajiv belongs to Khalandri, a town situated in Sirohi district of Rajasthan. He was born on 16 October 1975 in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. In a Marwari family, he is the second son of Lieutenant Colonel C.L. Khandelwal, retired, and Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Khandelwal. His elder brother is Sanjeev Khandelwal, and Rahul Khandelwal is his younger brother. He did his schooling from Kandriya Vidyalaya, Jaipur. He later earned a bachelor degree in chemistry from ST Experience College, Ahmedabad. In 2007, he adopted a 5-year-old girl named Swati from an institute called Muskan. Khandelwal married his long-time girlfriend Manjiri Kamitikar on 7 February 2011. He said that he is an atheist, but he is not against people who follow any religion. He currently lives in Jorgan, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Career 1998 to 2007, television debut and success. He started working with a Delhi-based production house and also modeled for brands like LML, Green Label, Whiskey, Videocon, and many more. He began his television career with a negative role in the show Kya Haath Se Kya Hakikat 2002. In 2002, he was offered Balaji telefilms Kahin To Hoga, a romantic drama. He portrayed the character of Sujal Grewal, who is 6 feet tall, dark, handsome, and rich, and a Mills and a boonish hero and a scorned lover. For portraying Sujal Garewal, he became a recipient of many awards and accolades for Best Debut and Best Actor. In 2005, he was seen as the raw field officer Varun Avasthi in Ketan Mehta action television series Time Bomb 9 by 11 2006. He entered CID as ACP Prithviraj and also acted as Shareem in the Pakistani show Sun Lina. In 2006 to 2007, he featured in the youth-based drama series Left Right Left as Captain Rajveer Singh Shekhawat. The character was later killed off. His portrayal of his character received appreciation from audience as well as critics. 2008 to 2015, Bollywood and break from television. Khandelwal made his Bollywood debut with the Ronnie Screwvala action thriller Amir 2008. He was cast as Dr. Amir Ali, who returns to India from England and becomes the delinquent Pawan of a terrorist group. Film critic Taran Adarsh from Bollywood Hangama reviewed Rajiv Khandelwal is remarkable in the title role. The film would have fallen flat and it been entrusted to an inferior actor, but Rajiv lends the right shades and emerges triumphant. Watch him emote with his eyes in the later reels mainly, and you realize that He knows the craft so well and excellent debuts. CNN, IBN, Rajiv Masand added uninhibited, spontaneous, and blessed with unmistakable presence. Khandiwal holds the screen like a seasoned artist, using this phase as a canvas to display emotions. He emerges as the biggest strength of his little film. The film grossed 18 million domestically. For his work in the film, he received the nomination of Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut in 2011. Khandiwal had been two film releases. His first appearance was in the Bijoy Nambiyar thriller from film Shaitan 2012, co-starring Kalki Koechlin. He played the role of Inspector Arvind Mathur, who is assigned by a police commissioner to solve a case unofficially, as he is on suspension after throwing a corporator from the first floor of his own house for allegedly beating up a woman. Taran Adrash of entertainment portal of Bollywood Hangama wrote of his performance. Rajiv Khandiwal, playing a cop who is fighting his inner demons, nails the role, giving a tight, focused performance. Khandiwal was next seen in Sanjeev Goenka soundtrack opposite Soha Ali Khan. He played the role of DJ Ronak, who gets addicted to drugs and alcohol and loses his hearing ability. His career nosedives, but his love for music helps him resurrect. Himself. Subhash K. Jha of NDTV reviewed his performance is so accomplished that he proves not for the first time that he is amongst the most engaging actor today. For money, time, and attention, he is the true rock star. Taran Adrash added, playing an emotionally unstable character is always taxing and edgy journey for any actor, but Rajiv emerges triumphant with a bravura performance. The film grossed 5.3 million domestically. Khandiwal next played alongside Shreya Talpade and Mukta Godse in the romantic comedy Will You Marry Me 2012. However, the film did not receive very good reviews. Taran Adrash praised Khandiwal as Rajiv Khandiwal handles his part with gusto. The film grossed 0.32 crore domestically. His next release was the psychological mystery thriller Table Number 21 2013 with Paresh Rawal and Tina Desai, where he played the role of a Vivan Agasthi. Zee News reviewed his performance as, in this film, Rajiv has proven yet again the limit to which his acting skills reach, which no doubt about that is the sky. The film grossed 10.9 crore domestically. He next featured in the romantic comedy film Ishq Actually 2013 opposite Neha Ahoja. He portrayed the character of Nil, who feels passionately for a girl named Jia. Many reviewers questioned Khandiwal about the reasoning for signing the film and called it boredom. The Times of India cited of his performance, Rajiv Khandiwal makes his presence felt well, while the rest are mediocre. The film grossed 0.34 crore domestically. Khandiwal next acted in the adventure film Peter Gaya Kaam Se alongside Likha Washington and Prashant Narayan. The film release is on hold. Khandiwal plays the character of Peter Rodriguez in the film Rajeshri Productions drama thriller Samrat and Co. Opposite Madhalsa Sharma was Khandiwal next release. He played the role of Sarma Tilka Dhari, a detective who is approached by a lady with a strange case. CNN, IBN criticized the film as why so many good actors like Rajiv Khandiwal, Girish Karnad, Smita Jakar and Indranil Sen Gupta agreed to do this film is one mystery but we are unable to solve. Fahim Rohani of Indian Today reviewed, after watching this film, you miss the Rajiv Khandiwal who debuted in the brilliantly made Amir 2008. Better to watch the more thrilling CID on TV than suffer Samrat and his company. The film grossed 1.29 crore domestically. 2015 present comeback on television and recent work. In 2015, Khandiwal appeared in the Indo-Australian film Salt Bridge, where he played the role of Basant, an Indian migrant who arrives in Australia and meets an Australian woman. The film was in a competition for Oscar and has received appreciation from critics. In February 2015, Khandelwal made a comeback to television after 7 years with Shrishti Arya and Goldie Bellal media drama-based five-night television show Reporter opposite Krita Kamra. He played the role of Kabir Sharma, the editor-in-chief of KKN, with a horrid past who falls peasantly for a junior reporter, Anaya Kashyap. The show received good reviews and ended on 19 October 2015. He has also worked in Rajiv Jhaveri's directorial Fever. Khandelwal will be soon seen in Remo de Souza DOA Death of Amar, co-starring Zareen Khan. This was his first experience working on public sector projects. Rajiv Khandelwal was the host of ZTV Jazz Birth, which aired on the television in 2018 and had 26 episodes. Other work. Khandelwal media career started with making documentaries, writing scripts and directing those. One of his documentary, a fictional series called Samarpan, was featured on Doordarshan. Its story revolved around paramilitary forces in India and it also won an award. Khandelwal has also hosted some reality shows. In 2006, he hosted the show Deal Ya No Deal alongside Mandira Bedi. He also hosted 2 seasons of the reality talk show Sach Ka Samna in 2007 and 2008. He had also become the brand ambassador of National Geographic Channel show Supercar and hosted it. In 2016, Khandelwal hosted a documentary film, The Legend of Jag Janta, which takes behind the scene looking at the Indian religious festival of Rath Yatra. In 2016, he sang for the promotional version of the song Teri Yaad from his film Fever. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।